Guys, I done got comfortable with my robe on. Me and Coco and my mother-in-law. And we're watching Frosty the Snowman. This is a classic that everybody love. I watched this all the time when I was a little girl. So after this goes off, I will be getting ready for bed, tying up my hair. I'm really loving the volume and the bounce in my curls. That Big Papa is doing his job. So I haven't been in a rush to put that wig back on, you guys. But I will see you guys tomorrow. I'm going to go ahead and say bye-bye, Coco. We're going to go ahead and watch this classic Christmas movie, and then we will retire for the night. See you tomorrow. So, today I'm getting my chimney swept and cleaned out because I want to use my fireplace this year. So, this is how it's looking right now. They're setting up. So I had to move my stuff. I hadn't used my fireplace in years. So they're setting up. And my dogs will not behave. But this is my tree, you guys. Tell me what you think. I haven't used my fireplace in years. So I hope there's no major problems when they're cleaning it out. I hope everything runs smoothly. It is gas. So right now they're going on top of the roof to assess it and try to clean it out. I know a couple of years, as I was saying, but I know a couple of years we had some bird nests. You can hear them making their little noises up in there. A bird had some little baby birds. So I'm just praying it turns out because I really want to burn my fireplace this year. So wish me luck, and I'll let you guys see if they get it lit or not. Look at that mess. Leave everything. Better view. It will.
That's all.
It's a big room, ain't it?
Oh yeah. But I'm gonna write on your invoice when you get a chance. Go to Madison Fireplace and Patio. That's right next door to Madison Central High School. You can Google it; it'll take you right to it. You're gonna need some rocks and look what they call fake embers. It's about $20 a bag. And a damper clamp. It's probably about $5.
What's a damper clamp?
It's a safety device that goes on that damper plate, just in case the house shift and you burning it and that damper accidentally close or whatever. That safety device, once it closes, it'll stop at a certain point. It won't close all the way.
Okay.
I'm gonna write it on your invoice.